Today, we're diving into the world of weight loss workouts that can truly transform your journey. If you're looking to shed pounds while boosting your energy levels, you're in the right place. First off, remember that consistency is key. Incorporating a mix of cardio and strength training can work wonders. Think about activities like brisk walking, cycling, or even dancing, anything that gets your heart pumping. Pair these with strength exercises like squats and push-ups to build muscle, which helps burn more calories even at rest. Don't forget the importance of a balanced diet alongside your workouts. Fueling your body with nutritious foods will enhance your performance and recovery. Hydration is equally crucial, so keep that water bottle handy. Above all, listen to your body and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Every step counts. If you found this helpful, please consider following us for more tips and inspiration.